Hello everyone, welcome back to the DBA series. In this video, we are going to discuss about how Oracle DBA starts his day. He will be having many of the responsibilities and there will be a lot of checklist. Few of the top checklists we are going to discuss in this video. So first of all, first his checklist will be like he need to check the database status and listener status. Okay, whether the database is up and running or listener status is up and running. Okay, we need to connect to the, as a DBA need to connect to the Oracle database server. I need to check the OS level. We can check that the DB status and as well as the listener status. With this command we can check ps-ef pipe grip pmon. With this we can come to know that whether the DB is up and running. Okay, and the database level also we can check it with the $v database view. Okay, this is the OS level we are going to check with the ps-ef pipe grip pmon. This shows that the database status. And next we have lsnrctl status. This gives my listener status. Okay, if the listener is down, we can start the listener with the same like lsnrctl start listener. Okay, we can give a listener name there. The listener will be get start. Okay, and if the DB is down, we need to connect to the database, the SQL plus slash sysdba with the sys user, and after that we can with the just firing a command start up the database will be get start. Okay, this is the first checklist. We do that whether the not whether the DB is up and running and listener status is up and running. Okay, so this is about the first checklist. And next checklist I will be going to do the alert log. Okay, I'll be checking the alert log whether do I have any errors for my Oracle database. Okay, any vara errors, like there will be many of the vara errors will be there. Okay, I will make a one of the separate video on this one alert log. Okay, so what type of vara errors we will be getting and how we can resolve those vara errors and make our DB stable, and also we will be getting a deadlocks or deadlock errors and instance if the instances get crashed, those will be logged into this alert log file. Okay, this alert log file will be uh, the path of this alert log file will be like a diag path. I will be discussing more about in the next video about this one, and also will be monitoring the trace logs. Okay, and this is the second checklist we seen. And the third checklist, table space view. Okay, whether my table space is having enough space or not. Okay, with the DBA table space usage matrix, this is the command. With this is a SQL command, we can execute this one. We will come to know that how much space is available in my table space. Okay, and then next I will be going to check archive log space. Okay, every day I will be looking into the archive log space, and it should not cross and it should not be filled. Okay, it should not get full. The archive log destination should not get filled. If the archive log destination got filled, the database will be goes to the hung state. So I need to maintain the archive log space. I should be make sure that the space is available in this archive log destination. With the view $archive log, I can check whether the space, how much space is available in archive log destination. Okay, the next checklist here I have been collected is rman backup status. Okay, every day I used to take a backup for my Oracle databases, correct? So those backups are completed successfully or not, I need to validate that one. So with the $rman status and with the list backup summary in the rman, I can validate all the backups completed successfully or not. Okay, and next, fast recovery area, that is a FRA usage. Okay, FRA usage should be having a space. If this FRA is gets full, my backup will be get stopped and archive log also get stopped. Okay, this is the purpose. The purpose of this FRA is need to keep the backup and archive log. Okay, if the FRA gets full, then my backup and archive log will be get stopped. Okay, I need to maintain the view $v recovery file destination. I can validate whether how much I have space in my FRA. I need to maintain that one. Okay, and next checklist we have a blocking and long running sessions. And here the one session may locks to the another session, or one of the query is taking a longer time to execute. Those type of sessions I need to clear the sessions, or I need to check which type of sessions are taking longer time and which session is locking to the another session. Okay, with the view $v session, I can validate which of the sessions are taking longer time. Okay, and I need to check the CPU usage and the memory usage, which resources are consuming more CPU and memory usage, whether do I need to add any memory. Those type of tuning we need to do as a Oracle DBA. There will be a still we have many more checklists, and these are the top level checklist I have been collected here as a DBA. In the daily life, he is need to make sure that these are should be a good status. And suppose I will be having a thousands of Oracle databases, right? So all the databases I cannot able to log in and check each status. So the here the automation comes to the picture, and Oracle itself has an official monitoring tool, that is a Oracle Enterprise Manager. Okay, it will dashboards and all the databases in a one place. I can set the alerts for everything like database status, listener status, alert log status, and whether do I find if any errors comes under encountered under the alert log, it will be comes alert for me that this type of issues facing in this database like that. And I can schedule a table space like beyond threshold. If it is cross, I need to add a space for the table space. Those type of alerts also I can set it like table space usage, job failures, and archive log issues. If the archive log space crossed above 85%, it should get email. It should get be email for me to add a more space to this archive destination. And blocking session, if there is any blockers in my database, I need to get an email so that I can take action to tune those sessions. And also I can automate the backup and patching here with this OEM. Okay, and in this OEM we can configure like thousands of instances, Oracle instances, for these alerts. Okay, and apart from this OEM also we have another option, that is a custom shell scripts. Okay, custom shell scripts and a cron jobs. We can schedule our jobs in a shell scripts. We can write a queries. Okay, with a VI editor we can, this is sample scripts I have been taken to check the status of database. Okay, these type of scripts we can write and we can schedule in a cron tab with a VI editor, and we can set for all the checklist. We can set it in a cron tab, and every day we can get an email status of the all the status we can get it. So this is about the checklist, top checklist the DBA should do every day. Okay, hope you all enjoyed this video. So please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.